guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a organization video for you guys. So I'm going to be putting my crystals in these containers. This is a bead storage, and I already threw away the packaging that says what it is. It's gadgets and gizmos, I think. And it's from Hobby Lobby. And we are going to put some goodies up in here. So I'm gonna set this over here. And I want to show you what I am doing. Maybe not. I'm labeling them, but my label maker isn't reaching over there. Alright, so I chose my label maker. And you can see that even light sapphire is still pretty small. I like to double my text, so on my Brother label maker, let's see, this may stay charged. The batteries are dead, so it's plugged in. So if you see here the little 2, so what I did is I typed the first one, hit enter, and then it creates this second line here. And that will give me the small but very efficient labeling. And you may want to use an X-Acto knife on this. I don't know. I debated putting my largest crystal up here like I have in my, let's see. This is how I have my sequence. Same type of system, but I put a sequin on the outside so I knew what was in there. So I may end up doing that with this, but I think for right now, I'm not going to. For one thing, I only have like 3 of those. So let's go ahead and take this guy. And I'm weird. I didn't put shimmer on this one. I don't know, it didn't seem like it needed shimmer in the name. Do I want to put these on the bottom? No, I think I want to put them on the top. But like top bottom. Does it say what size these are? Yes, so I have 20, 16, and 12. But for me, I just put them all together. Like so. I'm probably gonna dump them everywhere. I should have done that on the bottom. And bam. Because I don't necessarily need to know the name, but when I want to know the name, I can. So I think this is going to work out great, and I'm going to play some music while I do this, if you guys want to continue to watch me do it. Alrighty, I have these all in alphabetical order. Michael, I'm filming, stop. So I have all these in alphabetical order, and hopefully I edited out my husband screaming for no reason. If not, enjoy. But here we go. They're all alphabetical order. Again, I went this way instead of down, but I think it came out super cute. You can see this I had the most of because that's what I did my shoes in, and my demon of a cat is getting into my bag. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It'll definitely help that terrible drawer for storage. And I am definitely keeping this lid and not losing it so these don't get gunked up. I don't plan on taking the stones out, as in, like when I'm doing my nails, I'm not going to be sticking anything that's like grabbing it. I would dump them out on a tray so you're not gunking up these containers or scratching them, because you know what happens when you damage clear acrylic. It just does not look good after a while. So keeping this safe, secure, and away, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.